there is something very important to me as well, is you have to find, how do you call it, a realtor or someone who sells those kind of businesses,
right?
That you really got to trust. Because, it's still, especially for coins laundries, it's based on trust, right? Because, the seller shows you the P&L for the last 3 years, and you kind of have to trust him. Because it's tough to prove the numbers. So my advice would be to be extremely rigorous on the due diligence, and take your time. What we did a full month due diligence. Went every day there. We've been doing the coin collections, looking at everything you could ever think of. And then at the end of the month, you're quite comfortable on the numbers. And then you can say, okay, I trust that. I trust the business, and I'm going to make an offer.